Today, we will show how to fix the charging port of an Asus ZenPad. So let's get started. It doesn't charge even after plugging in the charger. We'll show you how to fix it very easily. First, we will remove all the screws. Then we will disconnect the connectors and take out the motherboard. Now we will use a hot air gun to apply air pressure and remove the charging port. After removing it, we will clean the old solder using a soldering wick. After cleaning it properly, we will take a new charging port, align it, and place it in position. Now, we will use a soldering iron to properly connect each point. We also need to properly solder the internal contact points. Now, we will clean the charging port properly using alcohol. After cleaning it properly, we will reconnect all the connectors and tighten all the screws. Thanks for watching my video.